Cruises and casinos on Carnival Mardi Gras, Tuesday, March 21st. We've been watching this ship heading straight towards our midsection, and it's not a cruise ship, but now it seems to be veering off, so I don't know what it is. It's too big to be a yacht. I decided to start filming it just in case it shot torpedoes at us. Okay, so now it has actually turned to the broadside, so it was coming head on to the side of the ship, and then now it turned. Still can't tell what it is. It's moving away from us. So it came towards us, got close enough, and now it's veering off. If anybody knows what type of a ship this is, please let us know in the comment below. Cruises and casinos on Carnival Mardi Gras, Tuesday the 21st of March 2023. Thanks for watching.